This is the Intermunicipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament in Pampanga. Welcome to the 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup. As we are live here inside the Brenzy Giao Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga for the game number 1 for our weekend ball action. As we can see here, Zoren Gigante together with Tristan Tubagi and the rest of the Bayong Porac. They will face off here against Calogoran Santa Rita in our games today. Calogoran Santa Rita kontra Bayong Porac to be followed by Villa de Bacolor kontra Juan Magalang Basketball. 1 p.m. in Bayong Mexico kontra Level Up Lubao. Fourth game, Angeles City Red Warriors kontra Mabalacat City MCG Cares. And our main event, United Tomason Ballers kontra Fernandino ka, Kayabe ka. Isang magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat mga kabalan. Ako po ang inyong makakasama, Penelope Wilhelmina, and together with me is my brother and mentor in the hardcourt, Enzo Galaroza.
Thank you so much, Ben. Good morning sa'yo and happy weekend. What a way to celebrate this weekend with more basketball, di ba? Dito, starting with this first game between Santa Rita and itong Bayong Porac. So I'm very excited for this game. Especially, pwede nila mapanood sa Pampanga PIO Facebook page.
At syempre, bago yun, Enzo, mamaya may makakasama tayo ang bagong muka para sa Delta Cup, ang bagong courtside reporter and kauna-unahang courtside reporter para sa Delta Cup, si MJ Raymunda. We will hear from her later on. At yun nga, pwedeng tutukan po ang mga kabalan itong Delta Cup sa ating YouTube at Pampanga_PIO at sa other YouTube channel at Sinag Liga TV. And of course, tingnan muna natin dito ang ating tournament format.
Yes, 21 towns will be divided into two groups, Group A and Group B. Group A will be consisted of 11 towns. Para naman sa Group B, 10 towns po ang meron dyan. Each group will play a single round-robin elimination. And then top 8 teams of both groups will advance to the quarterfinals round 1. Which, yung top 4 teams dun sa top 8 of each group will have a twice to beat advantage. And then, pagdating ng quarterfinals, to those who will qualify, magkakaroon ng crossover ang Group A and Group B. In the semifinal round, lahat po ng 4 na teams na makaka-qualify will battle each other in a single round-robin style. And then, the top 2 teams of that single round-robin semifinals papasok sa championship for a best of 3. Tapos yung top 3 and top 4 naman, to determine yan, magkakaroon sila ng 1-game knockout game to determine who will get the 3rd place and who will get the 4th place.
And tignan nga muna natin ngayon kung nasaan na ba sa team standings natin itong dalawang team na maglalaban para ngayon.
Yes, as we can see, itong Santa Rita there at the bottom half. Actually, outside looking in sila, di ba? 3-3 ang record nila. Gusto nila makaangat pa sa team standings dito for bracket A dahil nga papalapit ang playoffs dito sa Delta Cup. Samantalang itong Bayong Porac, they are comfortably seated at number 4. So may, as of now, a win here para dito sa Bayong Porac can possibly seal a twice to beat dahil nga nakabuntot sa kanila itong Level Up Lubao in Isle of San Simon.
And yes, to officially start our ball game, coming up is the battle between Calogoran Santa Rita kontra Bayong Porac. And now I'm turning you over to Ram Valid for our starters of the game.
Good morning once again, Delta Cup fans, and welcome to Brenzy Giao Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga, the home of Pampanga Delta. This is the Delta Cup 2023 Intermunicipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament, presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and powered by coverage partner Sinag Liga Asia. You can catch live action also at Pampanga Public Information Office, FB page, and YouTube channel. We got a quintuple header games for today featuring our first match. It's the battle between Calguran Santa Rita and your Bayong Pora. And now let's meet the stars for both teams. First for your Calguran Santa Rita. At guard number 12, Luis Gilas. Also at guard number 28, Jano Di Dios. At forward number 9, Ivan Guanlao. Also at forward number 13, Francis Galura. And center number 28, Jano Di Dios. Head coach for Calguran Santa Rita is Aaron Laksamana. Assistant coaches, Louis Vincent Nueva, Peter Enriquez Jr., and team manager, Mr. Reynard Calo. And now let's meet the starters for your Bayong Pora. Point guard number 11, Tristan Tubangi. Shooting guard number 15, Joren Gigante. Small forward number 6, Monch Rodriguez. Also at forward number 22, Nino Vasquez. And center number 9, Gian Cruz. Head coach for Bayong Porac is Arvin Ibay. Assistant coaches Lloyd Rivera and Larry Carlos. Your Bayong Porac. Game officials charged in action, Michael Galutera, Dennis Escaros, and Wille Hibe. This is the 2023 cover.
And yes, for our starters for the side of Santa Rita, we have Guanlao, Gilas, Galura, Ocampo, and De Jos. And for the side of Bayong Porac, we have here Tubangi, Gigante, Cruz, Rodriguez, and Vasquez. And tingnan natin kung kanino mapupunta dito ang unang ball possession para sa unang laro natin for this weekend. Ball possession goes to the side of Bayong Porac. And an easy basket there.
Agad-agad, aliw agad gusto nila. Ha? Pero baliktad, Guardia ang nag-finish. Itong si Joren Gigante. Tapos ang nagpaasa si Nino Vasquez. Role reversal nangyari dun.
And here we're back to Tubangi. Tubangi passes it to Rodriguez as almost a shot there, but a sorry miss.
Alley-oop talaga gusto nila. Dalawang attempt na yan. First 2 attempts nila, alley-oop pareho. Ha?
Nasa ano pa kasi yan, Enzo eh. Winning, ganyan laro nila last week yung last game nila eh.
Oh, ganda ng laro nila nun that time, di ba? Puro aerial ang ginawa nila, aerial attack.
As 3-point shot there is no good for Galura. Oh,
Good
what a
pass.
nice pass there. Joren Gigante, the jumper is no good. Mukhang malamig na naman dito ang simula ni Joren Gigante.
In basketball, it's not how you start, it's how you finish games, di ba? Pero for Gigante, kailangan nila ng quick start dito dahil, tinan mo, agad-agad naka-counter itong Santa Rita.
Actually, Enzo, first time natin makover tong Santa Rita. Eh,
totoo.
no? Kaya hindi natin alam kung paano ba yung
This
game
is the
pace
first time
nila.
na makikita natin sila. But, you know, this team, 3-3 record, di ba? Dikit-dikit lang yung standings. Eh. Pag nanalo sila, aangat pa sila dito, di ba, sa standings.
Alam mo, sobrang ganda nga yung ano eh, no, nung standing natin eh. No? Hindi sila nagkakalayo eh.
Oo. And actually, yung pinakita natin team standings kanina, pag nanalo dito itong Santa Rita, 4-3 na sila. Pwede pa silang makatayo dun sa twice to beat sa top 4. Kasi 4-4 itong Bayong Porac, di ba? So, ganun siya kadikit. Ngayon, wala sila sa top 8, pero kapag nanalo sila, pasok sila sa top 4. As nadulas si
exactly
Tubangi dun. A good pass by Ocampo.
And a nice day up there by James Buwan. Jano De Diaz, rather. Nalilito kasi ako doon as we take a look at the replay here. Ocampo passes it to Diaz and an easy basket there for Diaz. 8 minutes and 1 seconds. 6-2 is our score as a timeout on the floor. we are now back here at our 8 minutes and 1 seconds. 6-2 in favor of Santa Rita. Of course, mga kabalin, pwede nyo pong tutukan itong ating Delta Cup sa ating Facebook at Pampanga PIO.
Great play coming out of the timeout para dito kay Coach Arvin Ibay at easy layup para dito kay Mon Rodriguez.
And yes, going back here. Oh, that jumper, no good for Ivan Guanlao.
Yan talagang nakili. Oh,
Oh,
good block.
nice block there.
Itong si Rovic Ocampo pero he might have gotten hurt. Medyo masama yung landing niya doon but good thing na hindi naman seryoso na ipagpag agad ng bata.
As here, Tubangi. Tubangi passes it to Gian Cruz.
I feel so old saying bata.
Di naman. Gigante, still no good.
Clear foul.
Foul there.
And something to note dito, para sa Bayong Porac, it's their shooting. Yung first 5 nila normally is not really known for shooting outside of kay Ramoncito Rodriguez. Pagpasok ng bench nila, dun sila nagkakaroon ng spacing. Especially kapag si Rafa Kapulong nakapasok na. But itong first 5, not really known to take threes and make threes. Diba? More on slashing itong team na to. So, yun sa nakikita kong depensa na itong Santa Rita, kailangan ng starting 5 na itong Bayong Porac ma-hit yung mga 3-point shots nila. Kasi nga, yun mo, well guarded pero iba na matangkad talaga pag si Gian Cruz nakasalo.
Ang ganda ng pasa kasi doon na ito ni Tristan Tubangi. As we take a look here.
Look at that. Power move galing dito kay Gian Cruz. And interesting fact dito although wala itong head coach ng Kalugurang Santa Rita, itong si Coach Aaron, AA Laksamana, if andito siya, merong parang coach-player rivalry. Kasi part ng Luwid 1 Kapampangan, before si Coach Jonathan Benedict Buwan naging head coach ng Luwid 1, Coach Aaron ang head coach nun. Tapos naging assistant coach na lang si Coach Aaron Laksamana ni Coach Jonathan. Tapos player nila itong si Gian Cruz sa Luwid. So, parang may coach-player relationship sana yung laro. Pero Coach Aaron Laksamana, wala ngayong araw for Santa Rita.
And sana marinig natin later on the reason kung bakit wala dito si Coach AA Laksamana ng Kaluguran Santa Rita. A three-pointer there, still no good for Francis Galura.
Foul talaga. Nasabi ko na rin yung foul talaga. Alam mo kung saan ko nakuha yun. As we can see yung mga assistant coaches ngayon. Ganyan yung kagandahan din naman pag may pool ka na assistant coaches, di ba? Pag for some circumstances, di ba, na yung head coach wala, yung assistant coach magte-take over. And yun yung importance na one page kayong coaching staff. Kasi pag wala yung head coach, yung assistant coach, especially yung first assistant coach sa mga pro leagues, may first assistant coaches, first assistant coach talaga lagi. Yun yung siya yung minsan na parang right-hand man kung tawagin. Ramoncito Rodriguez na naman, 4 points na.
Pero at one thing nga, yung minention mo, Enzo, kanina, na itong starter na itong Bayong Porac is not good at the 3-point shot percentage. Pero alam mo yung mga nakapasok na yun na first 5, grabe yung shooting nila nung last game, ha?
Oo. Yun yung nakita ko sa easy basket para dito kay Francis Galura. Pero yun nga, maganda shooting nila. But not every game kasi buenas ka sa shooting, di ba? Everybody knows that. There's another 2 points dito kay Nino Vasquez. Pero yun nga, for Bayong Porac, last game na yun eh. Kaya may sinasabing ang mga professional players sa NBA, sa PBA, sinasabi nila lagi na, okay, makakashoot tayo ngayong game, next game ibang laro na to. Kasi ibang depensa ang makikita natin, ibang kalaban natin. So if you're Bayong Porac, okay, last game, ang ganda ng shooting nila. I was able to watch that game sa Pampanga PIO FB page. Pero ngayon, maalat ang shooting nila. Pero I like the fact that they're attacking. Hindi nila pinipilit yung 3-point shot nila. Si Gigante pa lang ang may attempt eh. 0 for 1 pa lang sila. And that's a good sign now. Isang attempt pa lang kayo. Hindi na kayo sumubok. Atake na kayo ng atake just like this.
Grabe yun. By Nino Vasquez. 10-8 is our score. 4 minutes and 11 seconds remaining. Enzo, namang na dito ngayon ang Bayong Porac. As here, binababa ang bola ng Santa Rita. Jano De Dios.
Good kick out.
And oh, a 3-point shot there for Francis.
Nagsisimula na itong si Galura. 5 quick points na for him. Oh, good attack right there. Gian Cruz.
Iba na talaga ang matangkad.
Oo. Siya pinakamatangkad sa floor. So, kailangan talagang i-feed sila ni Nino Vasquez dito ng Bayong Porac. Talking about Gian Cruz and Nino Vasquez. Kailangan sila i-feed ng i-feed kasi yun ang advantage nila eh. Yung height nila, yung athletic ability nila over dito sa Santa Rita. Santa Rita naman, shooting nila ang magiging advantage nila. If they cannot knock down shots, mahirapan sila makapasok sa painted area.
As you mentioned there, that jumper is no good for Santa Rita.
Hihingi na screen.
Tubangi.
Oh, good move!
Nice move there by Tristan Tubangi. That proves why he was the best player on their last game on Sunday.
Yes, and ganda ng ginawa niya. Tumawag siya na screen, ni-reject niya. Even before pang makalapit si Gian Cruz to set the screen, agad-agad nang umatake si Tubangi dahil nakita niya, yung defender medyo nag-relax, ina-anticipate yung screen. As a defender, you should be ready. Meron mang screen na wala, alisto ka dapat sa dinidepensahan mo, sa binabantayan mo. Hindi mo pwedeng intindihin yung
Take a look
mag-screen.
here. I thought papasa niya yun eh, but then
Oo.
a nice move and a nice play there from Tristan Tubangi and Bayong Porac. Oh, an easy two-point shot there for Gian Cruz.
Namimiesta siya sa ilalim eh.
Yan yung sinasabi mo, Enzo. Parang naririnig ka nila eh, na kailangan
Oo.
nilang i-feed tong si Gian Cruz eh.
Well, kita mo naman kasi yung height advantage and yung athletic ability nito ni Gian Cruz. And sa mga games na kinover ko dito sa Bayong Porac, I've always said Gian Cruz is a talented big man when I saw him play for Louis One in an 18-under tournament. Siya at saka si Kenneth Remot, yung centers ni Coach Jonathan doon. And napabilib ako ni Gian Cruz eh. At such a young age, wala pang 20 years old yan. We might see him play in the 19-under na Sinagliga Asia. We don't know, di ba? Kasi wala pa naman tayo official line. Pero if he stays with Louis One, yung improvements niya, yung footwork niya, may shooting pa siya ngayon, yung dribbling niya mas humigpit, hindi na siya ganun kadaling agawan. Ang laki na improvement si Gian Cruz eh. And, you know, I love to see mga ganyang bata na in less than, 6 months, 7 months, ang laki na ng improvements. It just goes to show na hard work talaga. Dedicated sila into improving and gusto talaga nila makamit yung pangarap nila in playing basketball, pro basketball, di ba?
And a sorry miss there for Tristan Tubangi. Paano sabi mo nga, aliw talaga yung mga gustong
talaga
play
ata
na
gusto
ito
nila eh.
ngayon eh.
Well, they have the advantage again in height and athletic ability, di ba? Dito naman sa Santa Rita talaga, they're relying on spacing. Look at the spacing nila. Ang ganda na spacing nila. They're just not knocking down the shots. Hindi lang pumapasok yung mga jumper nila. Pero that time, good play. Sayang lang.
Sayang yun. It was a nice basket kung pumasok yun, but then a foul there.
That time, nag-zone defense. Nag-2-3 zone sila. Itong Bayong Porac. Nung nandun si Gian Cruz sa floor, they could afford to mag-1-3-1 sila. Pero ngayon, nag-2-3 na sila dahil nga wala nang shot blocker sa gitna. Pero nalibre, di ba?
3-point shot, yun yung sinasabi mo na yung spacing nila
Yes.
dito eh.
And kailangan kasi yun yung binibigay ng Bayong Porac with that zone.
Tubangi here.
Oy!
And a nice move there. And a good shot there for Tristan Tubangi.
I cannot wait to see this kid suit up once again for Hustle Rising Suns. Tubangi of Bayong Porac. And of course, sa Florida Blanca, si Speedy Harvey Salvador, di ba?
What a lineup for the
Oo.
Hustle Rising Suns.
And Coach JR. Yeah, Coach JR De La Cruz is also gearing up more players. Hindi lang...
So we take a look here on nice
Grabe.
move there. Nagsistay sa ere.
Binitbit ba? Inano pa niya, ni-regather pa niya in mid-air, di ba? And going back, yung sinabi ko nga, yung athletic ability na itong Bayong Porac, hindi katangkaran na player itong si Tubangi, but yung leaping ability niya, di ba? Ang ganda ng hang time niya. Very physical player, napakabilis. Ito, Cruz is now back on the floor para sa Bayong Porac.
The 3-point shot there is no good for Alfie Ocampo. Nice pass there from Stanley Canlas.
Dinaan sa haba ni Stanley Canlas eh. Kinuha na lang sa likod eh.
And there a substitution for the side of Santa Rita.
And
Makapinlak checks in.
actually, even without Coach Aaron Laksamana, ang ganda ng rotations ng Santa Rita. Always fresh legs, kaya 3-point game lang to. if you watch the first quarter, sa panig dito ng Bayong Porac, lalong-lalo na, puro 2 points sila eh. Puro painted area yung ginagawa nila. Wala pa silang 3-point conversion. Parang nagdo-dominate sila kasi nga sa laki nila, Gian Cruz nila, Stanley Canlas. Kagaya niyan, di ba? Offensive rebound pa ni Cruz. Pero kung tingnan mo tong Santa Rita, ang ganda ng player rotation nila. Laging fresh legs on the floor. Kaya dikit pa rin yung laro natin eh. 3-point lead pa lang to eh.
They're clearly matching the energy and
Oo.
place na itong Bayong Porac. Halatang napag-aralan talaga nila eh.
Mukhang maganda tulog kagabi na itong Santa Rita, di ba?
Ikaw ba, Enzo, maganda matulog mo?
Oo.
As a 3-point shot there, no good for Jerome Makapinlak. His first attempt for this ball game.
Good pass.
Nice pass there!
Sayang. Pero good pass yun ba ito, Baangi?
You know, itong si Stanley Canlas, isa to sa mga naging reliable na teammate neto ni Tobagi nung game nila nung Sunday. Eh.
Oo, actually, parang paborito niya eh.
Actually.
Diba? Paborito niyang target to si Stanley Canlas. And credit this kid, Stanley Canlas ha. He was knocking down his shots. Ang ganda din niya pumuesto eh. Yung tipong, akala mo bilang defender akala mo nakatayo lang siya sa likod mo. Pag tingin mo, wala na, nandoon na sa kabila. At nasa kanya pa yung bola. That's the perfect role for Stanley Canlas. You don't need him to be a shot creator. Kailangan lang niyang commit to the basket, hustle player. That's his role. And si Tubangi, napakahusay na point guard nito ni Double T. Nakikita niya yan, nire-reward niya si Stanley Canlas dahil nga ang ganda ng ginagawa niyang trabaho sa loob eh. Oh, layo.
Ayun na. Ganun yung mga shot nila kanina pa eh. Hindi ko napansin. We're almost done for
Bilis na
our
laro, diba?
first quarter. 19-15 in favor of Bayong Porac as we can see here right now our first quarter highlights. Nice move there for Santa Rita.
Oo, si Galura nagsimula na
And that
scoring.
nice pass
Oo,
there.
yan yung simula ng laro natin. Yung alley-oop play dito ng Bayong Porac. But ito si Galura nagsisimula ng uminit yung kamay niya dito. He had 7 points in that first quarter alone. Pero sa kabilang panig naman, kalat yung scoring. Gian Cruz, Ramoncito Rodriguez. Wala pa nga yung pangalan ng gigante. Tsaka itong si Kapulong sa score sheet nila eh. Pero they're up by 4.
The aggressive style of this Bayong Porac makes this ball game 19-15. We are now back here at the second quarter of this ball game. We an inbound here for the side of Bayong Porac. Perez checks in for Bayong Porac.
Pangatlong point guard na to ni Coach Arvin Ibay sa laro si Hans Perez.
One thing about Coach Arvin Ibay, galing siyang maglaro ng tao eh, no?
And which is, in this kind of tournament, kagaya na itong 2024 Delta Cup, kailangan talaga nila ng, how do you say this, i-spread out yung minutes ng players. Kasi, itong mga players dito, as itong si, there's one player, wala ata sa lineup so far. Kasi, well, Santa Rita did come into the, dumating siya sa
Last minute.
on the last minute. Medyo late silang nakadating dito sa venue. So, may mga players din na late din dumating. Late na nga sila. Late. But of course, not their fault kasi traffic, di ba? It was traffic. Well, ewan ko. Mga,
Medyo maaga yung ball game talaga natin.
Maaga din yung ball game. Tayo nga, naagahan ng konti. Pero, yun nga, baka galing pang iba kasi sa mga players natin dito sa Delta Cup sa Manila pa school, just like us, di ba? You're still studying ako. Sa Manila ako nag-aaral. Baka ganun yung nangyari. Baka ngayon pa lang bumiyahe. So, I'm not making excuses, but that's the reality of some of these players here. As
Ocampo knocks the three-point shot is no good. Pero yun nga no, Enzo. Another 3-point shot
Sabi
there
nga-
for Kapulong. No good. Pero yun nga, siguro nga talaga, nagkaroon lang din talaga ng problem when it comes sa schedule na itong mga bata eh.
Oo, I mean, we've seen that. I mean, itong mga bata, they're fighting na, when I say fighting, nilalaban nila yung career nila. Na ito ang gagawin nila. Maglalaro sila ng basketball. It's a good 3-pointer right away.
That's a
Justin Escobar.
3-point shot there for Justin Escobar. He just checked in for this ball game.
Ganda ng pangalan, no? Escobar. Wala naman ako sinasabi.
Maganda yung pangalan,
Oo.
Justin. Oh,
Ikaw yung first name mo sinabi mo. Ako yung last name mong pinansin ko.
I'm so sorry, miss there for James Buwan.
I have to ask you. Let's take a look.
Wait lang. Go, yes. Take a look
Yes.
first. It's the 3-point shot there for Justin Escobar is good. Alam ko, Enzo, parang iisa lang yung tanong natin. Eh.
Oo.
Kung anak ba to ni
Dalawa
Coach,
sila, si James at saka si Jamon Buwan eh.
ni Coach
Jonathan,
Jonathan
oo.
Buwan of Luidwan, Kapampangan.
Ito pa message na ako sa kanya.
Coach,
Ano
anak
eh,
ko po ba yung naglalaro dito?
Kahit hindi anak, baka mag-anak, di ba? Pamangkin niya. Hindi natin alam eh.
Hindi mo malayo.
Oo, kasi Buwan, di ba? Tapos Kapampangan. Kasi pwede naman na, di ba? Kapampangan sila, pero not in the same city sila nakatira. There's a chance. Ay, eto naman,
Nice
na
pass
naman.
there from Kapulok. Alam mo, Enzo, napapansin ko sa kanila. Yung mga pass nila talaga matataas eh. Parang
Oo.
they're trying to make a name here for Bayong Porak na na makikilala kami for this kind of play.
Oo.
Eh.
And actually, I like that pass by Kapulong kasi actually sa mga shooters na nanonood, di ba? You have to be such a great shooter to pass it that way sa picture-perfect alley-oop play papunta kay Canlas. Dahil nga shooter itong si Kapulong, sukat niya yung pasa na yun. Pero speaking of shooters,
Another 3-point shot there for Jerome Makapinlak. Back-to-back there.
oo.
3-point shot there for Santa Rita. We're now tied at 21. 8 minutes and 24 seconds.
As you said nga, tied tayo. And yun yung sinabi ko kanina. Wide open look, great pass. Galing dito kay Buwan to Makapinlak. Diba? Magre-react ka eh. As you're going to the roll man, sa pick and roll, pag pinasa mo sa roll man, yung roll man ngayon, pag nahawakan niya yung bola, he has the decision. Didiretso ko ba for a layup? Pwede kong i-kick out. Read and react yung ginagawa dito ng Santa Rita.
But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter for MJ Remundo para sa report na dito for the side of Bayong Porak. MJ, go ahead.
Thank you, Enzo and Pen. Bago magsimula ang game, tinanong ko nga si Assistant Coach Larry Carlos ng Team Porak kung anong preparation ang ginawa nila. At sabi niya, focus sila ngayon sa depensa. At isa sa mga inaasahan niya ngayon na mag-step up ay si Joren Gigante. And we are hoping na sana makuha namin ang panalong ito. Balik sa inyo, Pen and Enzo.
Yes, thank you so much, MJ. As yun nga, no, si Coach Larry Carlos, yung ako sabi, as we take a look here first.
Lumilipad din pala to Santa Rita. No? Pero I got to ask, yung ganda nung sinabi ni Coach Larry Carlos through MJ's report ha. But I will go back to that din man. Pero yun nga, kailangan talaga mag-step up nito ni Joren Gigante. Kasi nga siya yung leader eh. Sila ni Tubangi yung leaders of this team. When you're the point guard, when you're the starting point guard, you're expected to be the guys na talagang barometer of the offense ng coach. Pero I want to ask this, how is it na your first time makarinig ka ng courtside reporter na hindi ikaw na ngayon nagta-turn over to courtside, hindi na ikaw yung tina-turn over ng report.
Nakakatuwa pala. As in, parang alam mo yun? Parang dati, it's turned it over to me eh. Pero ngayon, ako na yung nagbibigay eh.
Over to me. As a layup kanina dito kay Bernarte.
So take a look here at the
Bilis, ah.
replay.
And I like that big pound
Grabe
dribble to
yung
the basket.
power niya dun,
Oo. Galit eh, may gigil.
7 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Timeout on the floor. 24-21. As we are now back here at the 7 minutes and 39 seconds, mga kasinag, SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinag-asiasports@gmail.com or send us a message through our Facebook page, Sinag Liga Asia.
Bless.
Sorry, Maga. Nag-warm up pa yung ano.
Hindi lang no?
Parang ano, mga players lang yan. Warm up as Gian. Nice pass there from Tubagi to Gian Cruz.
Dinagalan na siya eh. Ganun kala si Gian Cruz na parang naikarga pa niya yung bantay niya, di ba? At hindi maliit na tao ito si Justin Escobar. But going back to the, yan nga, yung Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase, di ba? I hope I get to cover this kid, Gian Cruz. I want to see him play there. And also yung Kenneth Remot, who played for La Consolacion College Manila High School team na nag-champion sa Interscholastic Athletics Association, yung Kenneth Remot. I want to see that young front court again. And if Coach Jonathan Buan is watching, Coach Jonathan Benedict Buan is watching, baka pwedeng i-message niya sa akin, oo, naka-line up yung dalawang yan, di ba? Malay natin, di ba? Or in any other team, kasi napaka-talented neto ni Gian Cruz. And also, Kenneth Remot is actually kapampangan din yung batang yun na naglalaro sa Lako, di ba? But I don't know why he's not playing here sa Delta Cup. Maybe because may prior commitment sila kay Sir Andy Cristobal. Hindi natin alam. Pero again, di ba? Atake na naman itong si Bernarte.
Grabe, 7 minutes and 11 seconds. 26-22 lamang na dito ang Kalaguran, Santa Rita.
Oh, good layup there and good
And a
steal.
back-to-back
Oo.
there.
Bernarte may
Back-to-back
steal,
2 points there for Santa Rita.
I cannot remember, pero I feel like I've covered this Ivan Bernarte before. Familiar yung name, familiar yung itsura. I just don't know where.
You take a look here.
Good strip. Malinis.
Mali lang yung pasa, pero nakaabang dito eh. Itong si Ivan Bernarte ng Santa
Oo.
Rita.
A good layup by Wilfredo Manalo. So turnover na naman. Ito na yung sakit ng Bayong Porac eh. Good start sila. Towards the middle of the game, bigla silang mawawala. We've talked about this in numerous games, di ba? You have to play the entire 40 minutes of basketball. Etong Bayong Porac, magaling sa simula, magaling tumapos. But in that second and third quarter, medyo nagiging prone sila sa turnovers eh. Sa mga nanonood dyan, for sure, makaka-relate ang mga kagaya kong Golden State Warriors fan na gano'n nangyayari sa Golden State. They'll play great in the first three quarters, biglang bibitaw sila sa dulo or sa gitna, bibitaw sila. Dapat full 40 minutes of playing ang ginagawa nyo na magandang basketball as Gian Cruz na naman.
Narinig ka ata eh. But then yun nga, Enzo, tama naman yung sinabi mo doon na yung lahat ng na-cover nating laro na itong Bayong Porac, a good start, tapos problema
Gulo-gulo
sila ng
diba?
second and third quarter, tapos
Oo.
babawi sila at the last minutes as a nice
Wow!
basket there.
Jaymon
for
Buang.
Jaymon Buang. Ito yung sinasabi mo, nag-reply na ba si Coach as we take a look first at the replay?
Grabe naman yung layup ni Jaymon
Grabe naman
Buang.
yung...
Hindi, to your question, nag-reply na ba si Coach? Hindi, kasi hindi ko napindot yung send. Hindi ko napindot
Kala
yung
ko
send.
hindi niya ka mag-anak eh. But then, very curious, of course.
Ay, ito. Let me press send na. Kanina pala hindi ko napindot yung send.
Kaantay tayo. Then, that free throw is good for Jaymon Buwan. Gigante. Gigante there. Passes it to Tubangi. Tubangi back to Gigante. Another attempt for Gigante. Still no three-point shot there for Joren Gigante. You know one thing
At
na...
0 points pa siya. Diba? And kanina sa report ni MJ, Assistant Coach Larry Carlos said, kailangan ni Gigante mag-step up. You're the leader. And actually, the first few games na kinover natin, and even ako, nung before ka pa sumama dito sa Delta Cup, si Joren Gigante, ang scorer nila. And that was before Tristan Tubangi came into their lineup, di ba? Ngayon na nandyan si Tubangi, we expected na, uy, gandang backcourt to Tubangi. Ganda namang ikot no ni Makapinlak.
But as you mentioned nga there, Enzo, one thing na grateful itong side ng Porac is you have there Tubangi if in any case. Siyempre, hindi naman araw-araw maganda yung laro mo eh.
At saka nandyan si Gian Cruz. Ang sayaw na may big man kang ganyan, yung tatakbo lang, pwesto sa gitna, bigay mo na lang yan. Dami
Bigay
mong
mo na
assist
lang
kung point guard ka eh.
Ibigay mo na lang sa ilalim eh.
Yes.
You have to feed, especially kung ganyan katangkad yung sentro mo eh.
Oo, pero Etong Santa Rita, they're doing the right thing. We're the smaller team. We're the less athletic team. Dinadaan nila sa sipag, dinadaan nila sa mga extra passes and drop passes eh. Ang ganda ng offense ngayong second quarter netong Santa Rita. And look at that rebounding. Box out talaga. Dalawang players bubox out kay Gian Cruz to make sure hindi niya makukuha yung offensive board.
As that shot is missed there by Stanley Canlas. Oh, a nice move there from Ivan Bernarte.
I will try to remember where have I covered this kid, Ivan Bernarte.
For sure, sa dami na na-cover mong laro, talagang malilito ka na eh.
Totoo.
As we take a look here at the beautiful move of Ivan Bernarte. Grabe yun.
Parang shades of Coach Gilbert Malabanan, nakakagat labi pa eh. Habang
May
dumadrive.
kasama dila na pagbaba ng bola.
There's confusion on the floor. Nag-buzzer yung table for a substitution. Akala ng parehong team timeout. And the referees was continuing to blow their whistle. Kasi nga, substitution yun, hindi siya for a timeout. And lahat ng players nag-huddle sila.
But then, take a look here. We're an inbound for Santa Rita. Bernarte.
Layo.
Ang layo naman nun. But the ball bounces out.
I may have, parang alam ko na kung saan ko na-cover to Ivan Bernarte.
Saan,
na yan.
saan?
Delta Cup. Naalala ko na. Noong November.
Ah,
Ganun katagal, di ba?
Matagal.
Na-cover ko na pala tong Santa Rita. November pa. And I believe they lost that game. If my memory serves me correctly. I think they lost that game. Pero si Ivan Bernarte was the one na talagang fourth quarter tinatry niya i-lead yung comeback ng team niya. Na halos siya lang sumushoot. Siya lang nakaka-shoot sa team niya dito for Santa Rita. I'm trying to recall that game kasi November pa yun eh. And ang dami nangyari. Diba?
dami nating
Nakas 40,
Naging liga.
di ba? Isa ka finals. Ang dami nangyari for us, di ba?
and here.
Ramonchito Rodriguez. Nice name.
Galura checks in for
Speaking of
Santa
Ramonchito, it's good to have one of our team dito sa Delta Cup, Ramonchito. Si Kuya Mon, Landayan, nandiyan, the father of Vincent Landayan. Si Kuya Mon ata nagpipindot. Kuya Mon, good to see you again.
as the free throw there is good for Ramoncito Rodriguez. 4 minutes and 7 seconds remaining as timeout on the floor, 37-28. As we are now back at the 4 minutes and 7 seconds remaining at pwedeng-pwede talaga pong tutukan itong Delta Cup 2023 to 2024 sa ating Facebook at Pampanga PIO. Mamaya nga, Enzo, magbasa tayo ng mga comments for sure. Madaming supporters itong Bayong Cora.
Inaantay ko pa yung reply ni Coach
Coach
Jonathan.
Jonathan.
Naantay ko pa eh. Siyempre, information for the players, di ba? Pwede nating sabihin eh. Kaya pala ganyan maglaro.
But a miss pass there for Bernarte. Napalakas masyado yon.
Kala niya 7-footer yung papasahan niya.
Jabangi. Ramoncito.
Airball. Wala pa, di ba? Wala pang 3-point
Wala
make
pa.
itong Bayong Pora. Even Rafa Kapulong, isang attempt pa lang. And Kapulong, after that attempt, wala pa siyang other attempts from the field. 0 for 1 pa lang ito si Rafa Kapulong. And ito, look at that. 9 points na ang kalamangan ng Santa Rita ngayon.
Majority of the points netong Bayong Pora came from Tristan Tubangi and Stanley Canlas, if I'm not mistaken.
And also Gian Cruz, silang tatlo.
Yung mga pasa niya sa ilalim.
Oo. Pero ito, this is a good sign if you're Joren Gigante. JM Gigante going to the free throw line, di ba? Dito ka pwede mag-init eh. Maalat ang shooting mo the last game. And ngayon, medyo maalat din ang simula mo. Get to the free throw line for the young kids watching at home. This is an easy way to score kahit hindi kayo makashoot sa in game, di ba? If hirap kayo makashoot from the field, from 3-point line, from the mid-range, even yung layup nyo maalat, get to the free throw line. Yung mga idol nyo sa NBA, even in the PBA, do this a lot. That's why sila Luka Doncic, Jason Tatum, sila LeBron, James Harden, dyan sila nakaka-average ng 20 points eh. Kahit maalat ang shooting nila, they get to the free throw line. For young kids watching and even sa mga players dito, get to the free throw line. Walang bantay ang free throw.
As a steal there for the side of Bayong
So,
Porac.
counter steal.
Pero nawala yun sa kamay ni Tristan Tubangi. Medyo nagmadali siya doon. Pero yun nga, Enzo, no, one thing is, yung free throws, grabing fake yun. For Luis Gilas,
Pati ako na peke eh.
his first shot, or rather point of the ball game. 39-30. Siyam pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng Santa Rita.
Good pass. Good pass by Tubangi. Draw two defenders. Drop pass on the last minute. Napayungan lang yung titira eh. Pero look at this up fake pen, no?
Napeke doon si Ramoncito.
Oo.
Kala niya, it was also good luck sana eh, no? For Ramoncito.
Yun yung mga peke na pwedeng sa Divisory eh.
Recto.
Mga joke ni Commissioner Leo. Of course, the acting commissioner dito sa Delta Cup.
As the first free throw shot is good for Rafa Capulong. Yan ang yung sinasabi mo, Enzo, diba? If you're not, hindi ka sinuswerte sa 3-point shot mo or sa mga jumper mo, one
Yes.
thing na pwede mong bawian is itong free throw eh.
And as a shooter, kagaya ni Rafa Capulong, shooter siya. Makita mo lang, diyan ka pwede mag-init from the free throw line eh. Makuha mo yung tamang release ng bola. Pagdating mo naman sa free throw line, pwedeng sukat mo na yung
And a
ring
good
dyan eh.
steal there.
Good pass!
For a good steal, good pass, and a good basket for Joren Gigante there.
Okay, good pass by Tubangi. I mean, yan na yung backcourt nilang dalawa eh. Look
Take
at
a
that
look,
steal.
that steal from Ramoncito to Gigante. Passes to Tubangi. And assist again from Tubangi to Joren Gigante. Ito na. Nagsisimula na dito si Joren Gigante. As the timeout on the floor, 39-34. As we can see here, Joren Gigante, credit to his last score for the side of Bayong Porac. 5 na lang dito ang hinahabol ng Bayong Porac after that shot from Joren Gigante.
And ito may half-court pressure. Etong Bayong Porac. And look at that, good steal.
Nice steal there for Joren Gigante. Enzo, nag-iinit na siya for this ball game. Nice pass to Gian Cruz. Hindi ganon ang tira ni Gian Cruz, but still a good attempt. Gigante, what will Gigante do?
Trap.
Tatlo ang nakabantay sa kanya doon.
And that's, if you're Bayong Porac, one thing to do, tinatrap netong Santa Rita, itong si Gigante. Putting 2 or 3 defenders on him. Dapat hindi kayo nakatayo as a teammate of Joren Gigante. Kumat kayo, gumalaw kayo. Pakita nyo, kagaya niyan.
Nice pass there from Tubangi. And a good layup for Rafa Capulong.
Narinig ata ako eh. Sabi ko,
Bumabalik
kumat
na.
sila eh. Diba? And they did it perfectly now. 3 na lang hinahabol nila.
Bumabalik na itong laro ng Bayong Porac.
Oh, good move.
Oh, anay.
Sabit.
One-handed shot there for Luis Gilas.
I'm staring at his name. L-O-I-S.
Lois.
Ewan ko. Parang, ewan ko. Luis ba to? Lois? Yung parang Lois Lane ba? Kasi ako si babae ang Lois, di ba?
But then nag-reply na si Coach Jonathan.
Mamaya,
Ang
pag mamaya ako nire-reveal. Kapag nandun na si James tsaka si Jaymon sa floor. Ba't nag-reply na siya? Saan, alam mo na reply? Dadalaw daw siya mamaya.
See you po, Coach Jonathan.
Dadalaw daw siya mamaya.
If I'm not mistaken, ata Enzo, may laro ang Apalit today.
Palit tayo lang. Oh, I think. Let me check.
Kasi kung meron, one thing, kung bakit manonood,
Daming crowd niyan.
si
Mamaya.
Coach Jonathan Buwan, meron siyang ina-idol
tomorrow.
eh.
Tomorrow pa.
Tomorrow.
pa yun. Meron siya ina-idol, meron siya ini-scout.
Meron siyang ini-scout ng player there.
Kilala ko na kung sino.
And a three-point shot attempt there is good! For Lois Gilas.
Grabe, nag-iinit yung kamay dito ng Santa Rita.
1 minute and 16 seconds, 43 to 36. Gian Cruz.
Grabe.
Yun, Enzo. Binubusog talaga nila tong si Gian Cruz.
Oo. And binabanggit natin. Nanonood na siya ngayon. Nag-comment pa. Regards daw. Tapos tingnan natin tong good drop pass by Tubangi to Gian Cruz. Grabe. Hard foul yun, ha? Pinalo na yung balikat niya. Parang wala lang kay Gian Cruz, eh. Parang napadaan lang, eh. Coach Jonathan, yun tong player mo si Gian Cruz, ha? Ang galing, ha?
But ano yun nga, Enzo, eh. If you're Santa Rita, diba, you're going to do everything para ma-stop, eh. Or even to try na i-contest lahat ng easy shot nito ni Gian Cruz, eh.
Tinan mo, nire-review pa ng referee natin kasi nga hard foul, eh. Pero parang pinagpag
Narinig
lang
ko
ni
yun,
Gian
eh.
Cruz, eh.
Narinig ko nga, eh. Parang ang lakas nun, eh.
Alam mo, may lamok, di ba, sa hampas, eh. Pero, yun nga, I mean, Gian Cruz kasi, look at the body of this kid, di ba? Yung shoulders niya, medyo wala pang muscle cuts, hindi pa ganun kalakihan, pero malakas siya. It means na raw talent pa tong si Gian Cruz. Put him in a gym, lagay mo siya sa workout program, kahit anong workout program pa yun, an ASM man or any sports management workout program.
And a good future awaits for Gian Cruz.
Yes. And nimble siya. He can actually, nakita ko, he can actually learn how to play like a guard. Diba? Kasi magaling siya mag-dribble. Consistent shooting lang. Bilisan pa niya ng konti. Makukuha niya yung speed niya na yun through mga plyometric. Pero tingnan mo.
What a steal there for Tubangi on that rebound.
Inagaw lang. The smallest guy on the floor. Nakakuha na offensive rebound. Out
Take a look
jumping,
here.
oh. Grabe.
Diniretso na yun. But
At siya na naman. Yun, at that time, na-block na siya. Good defense that
free
time.
throw is no good for him, but to still try na makuha yung rebound there.
Ibang klaseng sipag nito ni Double T.
Grabe.
You can see the acting assistant ko. The acting head coaches for Kaluguran Santa Rita kanina dahil nga wala si Coach Double A, Aaron Laksamana.
But here, Enzo, from sa 9 siyam na kalamangan nitong Santa Rita, nababala dito ng Bayong Porak ng 3 lang. And
Isa na lang.
Grabe! Grabe! Yung move na yon ni Ramoncito Rodriguez.
May agaw pa.
Gigante! Grabe yun! What a fast play! A fast face dito para sa side ng Bayong Porak.
Ganyan talaga laro nila. Ganyan sila maglaro. Pero dito, wide open na naibigay nila.
And a rebound there for Tubangi. And a sorry miss for Gian Cruz. Pero maganda yung habol dito ni Ramoncito Rodriguez.
Good pass sa akin. Sa
Sa'yo
akin napunta yung
napunta
ball, eh. I'm not part of the court. I'm just part of the coverage team.
6.1 seconds remaining. What will Santa Rita do?
Grabe, may mga fans itong, Bayong Porak na bata.
They
Oh,
can
good
go
block!
here for a quick three.
Great
but
block
then,
by Rodriguez.
a good defense ang pinakita dito ng Bayong Porak.
Grabe. What a last 2 minutes of this second quarter para dito sa Bayong Porak. Nagising sila bigla dito. Our second quarter started with etong kay Ivan.
Tingnan natin dito ang second quarter
Oo.
highlight. That pass of Tubangi dito kay Joren Gigante. And that three-point shot there from Justin Escobar. That pass again from Tubangi to
Give and go nila. Kapulong.
Rafa Kapulong. That makes this ball game interesting more than anything else. 43 to 44. Isa ang kalamangan dito ng Bayong Porac. Kaya mga kabalen, tutok lang po tayo as magbabalik kami for our 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup. As we are now back at the second half of our ball game, 44-43 in favor of Bayong Porac here. Of course, I'm still joined here by Enzo Galarosa.
Yes, and what a second quarter finish para din sa Bayong Porac, starting with their defense. Bigla sila nag-half-court trap dito. Joren Gigante scored 2 points only in the first quarter, pero I believe mga nasa 6 points na ba siya? 6 points, 8 points na ata siya, di ba, Ben? But not even shooting that well. 8 points, di ba?
actually.
Tama. So he scored 6 points in that second quarter alone, di ba? But para dito sa panig ng Santa Rita, they're shooting well from the field and passing well yung bola. Pero yun nga, they have to stop itong paint points ng Bayong Porac. Dun kadalasan nang gagaling yung puntos nitong Bayong Porac eh. They still don't have a 3-point field goal dito. They're
As-
0 for 9 as we can see the leading scores.
Ang leading scorers natin dito para sa panig ng Santa Rita, Galura with 12, Bernarte with 7, and Gilas with 6. At para sa Bayong Porac, we have Gian Cruz here with 13, Gigante with 8, and Tubangi with 6. You know, as we can take a look for the scorers na itong halftime, Tubangi with only 6 points,
Pero-
and Gigante
Oo.
with 8 points now.
Yes, and kita mo naman etong Bayong Porac, they're a better team talaga pag kalat-kalat yung scoring nila. Not just Gigante, not just etong si Tubangi or Gian Cruz. It has to be everybody. Pero sabi ko nga sa'yo, Pen, Howard Ventura, kakapasok pa lang, pasok agad yung tres niya, di ba?
They needed that kind of 3-point shot. Oh! That 3-point shot of Tubangi reminds me of his last 3-point shot nung last game nila.
Yes.
Ganun-ganon. From that point mismo eh.
Nang bigla binababa lang niya, bigla niyang tinira, hindi rin ready yung depensa for that shot.
As a turnover here, pero
Nawala.
tumulas yun sa kamay ni Stanley Canlas.
That's Gigante actually.
Ay, sorry. It's Gigante rather. Magkamukha kasi sila ng yung likod.
Pagkakatalikod, no? Same hairstyle
Oo.
kasi. Di na kita tatanungin sino lugi. Good pass. Oh,
May bonus pa doon dito. Si Justin Escobar.
ganda ng pwesto ni Escobar sa ilalim and
Should
great
take a look
find.
here.
Galing dito kay Jamon Buan. Good pass by Jamon Buan and yan, ito na.
Speaking of Buwan,
Oo.
reveal mo na.
Kamag-anak siya. Sila ni Coach Jonathan Benedict Buan. May mga kamag-anak daw pala kasi dito sa Santa Rita, si Coach Jonathan. As we can see, may mga
Mga drummers na itong
tawag ka dyan, bote drummers eh. Kasi bote gamit. Oh! What
nice
a pass!
there! You see the pass there, Enzo. Still consistent dito sa alley-oop play ang Bayong Porac.
Ganyan tayo nagsimula sa laro eh. Alley-oop to Rodriguez eh. Pero quick
Easy layup
counter.
there
Oo.
for
Jamon Buan.
yung mga
Kanina,
buwan.
ganda ng pasa ni Jamon, di ba? Pero ngayon, siya naman ang tumira. Parang ako naman.
Tubangi passes it.
Uy,
But
miscommunication there. Si Cruz tsaka si Canlas, sa gitna nila yung bola. Walang kumuha.
dumulas yun eh. Sa kamay ni Stanley Canlas eh. Tatlo yung makabantay sa kanya doon eh.
Oo.
Ito na naman. Pero traveling called there for Howard Ventura.
Clear travel doon. And I was waiting. Sabi ko nga, traveling yung nangyari. Akala ko pipito ng foul dahil nabangga, but nauna yung travel talaga.
As here, Gigante. Gigante passes to Tubangi. Dalawa ang nakabantay dito kay Tubangi. Oh, but almost a steal there for the side of Santa Rita.
Good pass.
Gigante, I thought ititira niya yon.
Nag-agawan lang yung dalawa, pero still good find there by Gigante.
At nakakuha ba doon ng foul? Etong si Stanley Canlas.
Ito yung tunay na laro ni Joren Gigante. Hindi lang siya basta i-score. He will also play the facilitator. As we can see, one of the
Coach.
assistant coaches dito ng Bayong Porac. Coach,
Head
sorry,
coach.
Coach Arvin Ibay.
As we can see here,
Parehong team napapansin ko yung depensa nila, parehong half-court trap. Nag-aabang sila from the half-court.
kasi nga, yun yung naging depensa sa kanila neto kanina ng Bayong Porac eh. So then, they're really matching.
Don't take my drink.
Sorry, naurong ko na tatakpan yung score natin.
Sorry. Look at the space ni Gian Cruz na nakikreate niya.
Grabe yun. Dalawa na yung nakapantay sa kanya. Siya pa yung nakakuha. But then nahirapan siya dun eh. Kasi bantay na bantay siya eh.
Grabe.
Napapakamot na lang ng ulo eh. Itong coaching staff ng Bayong Porac.
Well, kasi they're still down by 1 point dito.
Gian Cruz to
Di ba
Joren
si
Gigante.
Ramoncito? Di lang nila nakita.
Ramoncito Gonzalez to Stanley Canlas. Jumper no good.
He needed to fire that dahil nga ilang segundo na lang sa shot clock nila eh. And that's really not Canlas's game.
Ventura. Jumper. Grabe. Parang sukat na sukat yun dito eh. Para kay Ivan Guanlao. Ay, Bernarte rather.
Oo. Good jumper there by Bernarte.
Dalawa kasi silang Ivan dito eh.
Oo.
Ivan Bernarte and Ivan Guanlao. Magkasunod pa. But then,
Ang ganda ng depensa nila kay Gigante. Alam nila na mataas tumalon. So, instead of a jumping competition, ang ginagawa nila, sige, aabangan na lang namin ikaw bago umatake.
nice pass there for Luis Gilas. But hindi lang yan na basket. Pero tumulas pa yun sa kamay ni Tristan Tubangi.
Look at them fighting for the ball.
Grabe yung ano ni Tubangi, yung laban eh. Ni Tristan dito eh. So as we take a look here, that pass from to our Bernarte rather.
Good jumper by
Libre-libre kasi siya
Oo.
dun eh.
And ang ganda din ng stroke kasi. Perfect na perfect yung release niya. Ang ganda ng rotation ng bola. As ito, Miko Gigante,
the
nasa
other
loob
Gigante
na. Oo.
checks in for Bayong Porac.
Open look for Tubangi. Clear push. Sa clear push. Galing dito kay Jay Serrano.
5 minutes and 37 seconds. Tatlo ang kalamangan dito ng Santa Rita, 53-50. Let's see, what will they do? Grabe.
Great
Grabe.
attack.
What a move for Francis Galura. Let's see kung anong gagawin dito ng Bayong Porac. They can go for a 3. They can still
Foul
go for
talaga.
a quick 2. But a foul there
Foul talaga yun. Galing dito kay Gilas.
for Gilas.
Take a look at this. That's the weakness of the zone, the corner. Late closeout by Rodriguez. Great attack. So, na-open yung lane. Good attack by Francis Galura.
From here.
Eto na naman sila. Oh! May stare down pa si Rodriguez.
Grabe yung stare down doon ni Ramoncito.
He was looking at Bernarte even after the block.
Let's take a look at the replay here. Rodriguez,
Oh, linis, oh. That's the best way to get yourself referred to in the past
hindi
tense.
siya katangkarang player eh.
Taas tumalon eh, di ba? Taas tumalon yung
Grabe.
bata eh.
But a miscommunication there for the side of Bayong Porac.
Yan yung nawawala dito sa Bayong Porac eh. They're getting the stops, nakakakuha sila ng turnovers, forcing missed shots, getting blocks. Pero on their offensive end, binigbibigay nila tong Santa Rita eh. Ang dami rin nilang turnovers eh.
In
good
and out
tap.
there for Santa Rita. Rodriguez.
They have the numbers, a 4-on-3.
Kala ko ipapasa niya yun.
Pero ano na
Knowing
yan eh.
eh.
Ano na yan, yung parang, alam mo yung sa mga horse racing, yung mga kabayo, yung goggles na ganun. Itong si Rodriguez, pagramdam niya na, hindi na nakaka-score. Especially with the lineup, si Tubangi lang talaga yung pure scorer nila na point guard, di ba? But itong si Rodriguez, nakita niya, sabi niya, okay, we have the numbers, 4-on-3 to. Nakikita niya na magka-crash ng rebound naman itong si Gigante at saka tumatakbo din itong si Serrano. So dinire-diretso na ito ni Rodriguez yung atake niya. He's not looking to pass anymore and he drew the foul. But yun nga, they have to start hitting their three-point shots na. Wala pa rin. 0 of 9 pa rin from the three-point line itong Bayong Porac in this game. And mahirap manalo ng basketball game kapag ganun yung shooting nyo. Especially in this day and age, in this modern game of basketball. Diba? Kita mo, if you look at it, mas maraming field goal makes etong Bayong Pora compared to Santa Rita. But Santa Rita, lamang sila ngayon because of their shooting. Mas maganda yung 3-point shooting nila. 3 is always better than 2, di ba?
But then, one thing is 2 out of 2 dun sa free throw
Oo.
for Ramoncito Rodriguez there. Santa Rita passes it to Galura.
Good defense right there. Good
Galura
closeout.
back to Makapinlak, but no good there. Let's see what will Bayong Porac will do here. They can still go for a 3-point shot here, but they can still go here for a quick 2.
Turnover na naman. Traveling para kay Rodriguez.
It's 3 minutes and 36 seconds. Tatlo pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng Santa Rita.
Good pass. Swing.
Open na open dito ang mga players ng Santa Rita eh. Oh. Look
Oo,
at the
pero
shooters here.
Nagkahiyaan sila
As
tumira.
there, 3-point shot there for Bernarte. Not good. The rebound for Bayong Porac.
He should've-
Rodriguez, nice pass.
Tira na dapat yung
Pumugot na
Serrano.
pala dito sa bench itong si Coach Arvin Iban.
Good layup right
But a
there.
good layup there for Ivan Bernarte.
Takbo lang ng takbo yung bata eh. Pero yun nga eh. They're talking about Bayong Pora. Kahirap sila dito to get any clean looks. Everything is challenged. Everything is being well defended. Pahirapan sila eh.
But first, let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, for her report to assistant coach of Santa Rita. MJ, go ahead.
Thank you, Enzo and Pen. Ayon kay Assistant Coach Peter Enriquez ang Team Santa Rita, ang adjustment or game plan na gagawin nila for the remaining quarters ay less turnover. Ganun pa din ang sistema at ban para maayos silang makuha ang panalo. Kahit na wala ang kanilang head coach na si Aaron Lacsamana. Pero susubukan daw ni coach na makahabol dahil ito daw ay nasa seminar ngayon. Back to you, Pen and Enzo.
Thank you so much, MJ. One thing, Enzo, dun sa report ni MJ, yung adjustment netong Santa Rita eh, to lessen as yun nga, Enzo, diba? Balik tayo dun sa report neto ni MJ Raimundo bago tayo ma-cut. Yung turnovers talaga ang problema eh netong Santa Rita eh.
Kasi empty possessions ang nangyayari if you get turnovers. Pero good thing for them as what Coach Peter Enriquez said kanina na yun nga, nabaliktad na nila. Ito namang Bayong Porac naman ang nawawalan ng chance ang makascore dahil sa turnovers nila. Great adjustment. And also good news na susubukan ni Coach Double A makahabol.
And speaking of the turnover, bumawi naman dito sa 3 points ang Bayong, sa Kalaguran, Santa Rita. 1 minute and 52 seconds remaining, 59 to 54 as we take a look here. That pass from Bernarte.
Great read of that ball screen by Bernarte. Ang ganda ng screen ng teammate niya. Naka-low coverage yung help defender. Rise up and shoot. Always read. Ano bang binibigay sa'yo? Naka-high coverage ba siya? High drop or low drop? Naka-low drop yung defender. Tirahan mo na pag ganun. Kasi parang ang nangyayari niyan if you're the offensive player, parang hindi nila nare-respeto yung shooting mo eh. Kapag naka-low coverage sila, naka-low drop coverage sila. But, pag naka-high coverage sila, ang ibig sabihin nun, nire-respeto nila yung shooting mo. Ayaw ka nilang patirahin, di ba? And if you're Ivan Bernarte, next time down, for sure, high coverage na ang gagawin ng help defender niyan. If hindi, it means lang talaga hindi ka nila nare-respeto sa shooting.
But then one thing na maganda dito para sa Santa Rita, aggressive sila pagdating sa shooting.
Yes.
Kahit alam nila, wala silang hesitation na.
Right.
Here. Santa Rita can go for a quick 3 here, pero pwede pa sila din for a quick 2 Pero tingnan natin kung anong gagawin nila. That's what I'm talking about. But the jumper is no good for Francis Galura. And a steal there. Almost a steal there for the side of Santa Rita.
Puro tapik. Yun na. Steal na nga. Dalawa. 2 on none.
And an easy basket there.
Uy, niluwa pa!
Grabe! Akala ko easy basket din eh.
Good defense.
But
Sabit.
then, syempre,
Foul talaga.
good defense from Serrano. Pero sayang yung missed shot there, eh, no? It
Yun na lang talaga.
could have been an easy basket.
Yun na talaga yung mga tira na, ayan, nakababa nga kamay ni Serrano. But yung tira kanina, dito ni Ventura, yung layup na yun, naniluwa ng ring, mapapatitig ka na lang sa ring eh.
Bakit?
Bakit mo niluwa, di ba?
Kasi easy na yun, eh. Walang
Oo.
there's no guard.
I would like to comment dito mga bata na to na nagtatambol ng bote sa taas.
Kala ko may mga drums na dala tong ano eh.
Oo.
Bayong porak eh.
At hindi lang nasa tono sila lahat, ha? In sync sila.
Isa lang yung palo nila.
Oo. Hindi basta-basta makapalo lang eh. In sync sila.
Ang galing din nila eh. Tsaka timing eh.
Alam mo, nasa UAAP
nice
ka
pass
eh. Good
there.
pass. Great extra pass by Nina Vasquez.
Ito na yung mga players na galing sa bench nitong Bayong Porak. Dalawa na lang dito ang kalamangan ng Santa Rita. 60-58. Less than 1 minute for our third quarter. Nice pass there.
Kapulong's free. Alang hindi na naman nakita. Another turnover for Bayong Porak.
Ang natira na lang dito sa starters na ito ni Coach Arvin Ibay ay itong si Kapulong at si Rodriguez. Ha?
And also Vasquez.
Aha.
Good play by Alfie Ocampo. Great read that time.
Kenneth Naku. Pero na steal pa yun eh. Dito kay...
Ocampo. And ito na naman, itong Santa Rita. Counter steal na naman.
By Naku again. Naku.
Oh!
But a clean block there by...
Galura. Meron top, pero great pass by Vasquez. Going to Naku, pinabawi niya.
Still, they were able to score it. 6
Great.
seconds remaining. And a 3-point shot there, pero short doon. Itong Santa Rita, 61-60. Binato na lang yun dito. Na itong Bayong Porak. As we take a look here. Kanina siya mang kalamangan na itong Santa Rita. As we take a look here at the third quarter highlights, that 3-point shot from James Buon. Howard Benaventura, rather.
Buenaventura. Naalala ko ah.
Ventura! Natutuling ako dito eh. But then,
Pero yung shooting na naman pa rin dito na Santa Rita, nananalig. But etong pag-atake ng Bayong Porak, they're getting to the line, they're drawing a lot of fouls, getting easy baskets. Still no 3-point makes para dito sa Bayong Porak, but they're only down by 1 point, 61-60, entering the fourth and final quarter of the first game ng 2024 Delta Cup.
as we are now back at the fourth and final quarter of this ball game, with that, mga kasinag, again, SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinagasiasports@gmail.com or send us a message through our Facebook page, Sinag Liga Asia, as the Pampanga Delta, our defending champions for the Born 2001 Cup, confirms their comeback here sa ating
And
Sinag Liga Asia. And
together
of
with
course,
the two other Kapampangan teams, di ba? Ang Luwid 1 Kapampangan.
and the
Hustle Rising Suns. I heard Parañaque Pelicans also kasama. Of course, Leap Basketball of Coach Ernest Alaw, di ba? Andun din. But let's not forget, there's also one new team coming in dito sa Sinag Liga Asia, ang Camarines Norte. Ready na akong makita ang mga Warriors ng Cam Norte.
actually, yun yung nakaka-excited na pag may bagong team dito sa ating
Oo.
liga. But here, going back to our ball game, a turnover there.
And
for
also,
Santa Rita.
going back to that, I hope some of these kids dito sa Delta Cup makapaglaro sa
Exactly the point,
Sinagliga
Enzo.
Asia eh. I really hope, di
You
ba?
have
We
a
see a
good
lot
point
of them.
right there.
Yung sinigurado na ni Ventura, yung layup na yan.
But then yun nga, no, one thing dito sa Delta Cup, kasi nga meron 3 team yung Kapampangan dito
Oo.
sa ating Sinagliga Asia. It's a good prospect para sa kanila itong Delta Cup.
Yes. And also for Hustle Rising Suns, let's take a look at this easy layup muna by Howard Ventura off the fast break. But yun nga, going back to the Hustle Rising Suns, I recently kinamusta ko si Coach JR De La Cruz kasi this ay a franchise with Sinagliga Asia. So mainstay na for Sinagliga Asia ang Hustle Rising Suns team niya. Sabi niya, may mga Kapampangan players pa, but hindi lang yun ang makikita natin. He'll also get, kasi yung Hustle Rising Suns, galing yun sa Hustle Basketball Camp ni Coach JR De La Cruz, di ba? Sabi niya may mga iba pa siya from Metro Manila, and even sa mga South. Meron din siya mga basketball camps doon. Dudukot na siya. Hindi lang purely Kapampangan, which is interesting to see, di ba? How na parang medyo Luzon-centric yung Hustle Rising Suns team. Ang ganda siguro tingnan nun. Kasi ito, kagaya niya, player ni Coach JR De La Cruz ng Hustle Rising Suns, si Tobangi. Pair him up with some of the greats of the South, di ba?
You mentioned there, yung sipag nito
Oo.
ng Kapampangan when it comes to defense. What a nice move there. 3 yung bantay dito ni Janu De Dios. Hindi natin siya masyadong naramdaman for the 3rd quarter of this ball game. Parang
tahimik
nilabas siya But then, a much-needed basket for him.
Good pass.
Good pass there from Ventura. Oh, and a steal there. Naagaw pa yun ulit kay Tristan Tubangi. Neto, ni Justin Escobar.
Medyo out of sync si Tobangi ngayon in the second half. Ang ganda ng first and second quarter niya, but in the second half, well guarded siya. Let's take a look at this beautiful drive galing dito kay Janu De Dios. Umilalim talaga for that layup.
And not to mention, 3 yung bantay niya doon.
Oo. But
That
eto,
free throw
Yun.
is no good for
Yung-
Rovic Ocampo.
yung free throw na yan, importante para dito sa panig ng Santa Rita. Dahil nga, 1 possession lead lang to. 3-point lead lang ang hinahabol nitong Bayong Porac. At again, wala pa silang nakukuha 3-point shot. Makaisa lang tong Bayong Porac would be big.
Gian Cruz. Grabe. Yung underneath shoot. Neto ni Gian Cruz.
Ang laki mata niya, kita niya eh. Ang lilit na mga bantay niya, so hinabol talaga niya. But yun nga lang, Justin Escobar now fouls out of the game. Talagang pahirapan bantayan si Gian Cruz itong Santa Rita.
If I'm not mistaken walang kasing height itong si
Gian
Gian
Cruz,
Cruz
yes.
dito sa Santa Rita. That's why kaya madali siyang makakuha ng mga fouls kasi mas maliliit sa kanya yung mga bantay niya
Yes, and he also plays inside out. So, minsan papwesto siya sa 3-point land. So, yung defender parang medyo magre-relax. Nasa labas siya. Pero
But then,
minsan
biglang
bumibuelo siya. Oo. Speaking of buelo, sayang yun for Tubangi. Pero
In an easy put back there by
Nino
Nino
Vasquez.
Vasquez. A starter for Bayong Porac, but then, ngayon lang natin siya naramdaman. So take a look here. Tristan Tubangi. Tubangi passes it. And a 3-point shot there. No good. Pero nakaabang dito si Gian Cruz. But the steal there for Vasquez. And a putback there by Gian Cruz. No good. Pero nakaabang pa din siya doon. The height advantage of Gian Cruz. Gamit na gamit para dito sa Bayong Porac.
Sumigurado na eh.
Kahit bantay na bantay siya doon. Here, what will Santa Rita do? Lamang na dito ang Bayong Porac by 1 point. Kinulang na doon. Grabe na yung bantay dito. At ang depensa dito ng Bayong Porac. As an easy basket there for Joren Gigante. Hindi na yung binantayan No defenders for
Yes.
Joren Gigante.
Now in double figures na si Gigante. Fourth quarter time, it's Gigante's show
Take a
na.
look at that pass. May bantay siya but then hindi na kinontes. Ito ni Ocampo.
Great hop step galing dito kay Gigante. Lamang na sila ng 3, Ben.
Yeah, that makes our ball game 7 minutes and 8 seconds. It's time out on the floor, 68-65. as we can see here, pwede nga pong tutukan itong ating Delta Cup 2023 to 2024 dito sa ating YouTube channel at Pampanga_PIO. At makikita natin dito ang mga supporters na itong Bayong Porac.
Yung mga drummers talaga, tinan mo meron silang tono
May
eh.
rhythm silang sinusundan. The 3-point shot still no good for Santa Rita. Tristan Tubangi. Tatlo ang kalamangan dito ng Bayong Porac. What will they do? They can still go here for a quick three. But then, a good move there for Rafa Capulong.
Great job recognizing ano gagawin ng defender. Hard close out, atakihin mo yon. Quick attack to the basket while there's no help defender yet.
5-point advantage, 3-point shot there. Umaalat na ang
Oo.
shooting ng etong Santa Rita.
They got cold from the field na ngayon and hirap na sila makapasok dahil nga yung mga 3-point shots nila and even yung mid-range nila hindi na pumapasok.
And so ito yung binabanggit mo kanina na game face na itong Bayong Porac eh.
Exactly. Clear travel.
A good start. Medyo magkakaroon sila ng problem when it comes sa kanilang plays.
Yes. And then fourth quarter, bigla silang gigising, di ba? That's why it's entertaining to watch itong Bayong Porac eh. Kasi dikit lagi laro eh.
Lagi lang talaga silang minsan kinukulang. But then,
Oo.
they were able to put themselves back together.
But again, Pen, yung team standings
Ayan na.
natin ha, paalala natin yung Bayong Porac, they already at the number 4 spot. So if the playoffs started today, itong Bayong Porac nandun sa number 4 seed.
But first, let's start it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, for her report to Gian Cruz of Bayong Porac. MJ, go ahead.
Thank you, Pen and Enzo. Grabe din ang pinapakita nitong si Gian Cruz from Porac. From first half, 15 points na agad ang kanyang ginagawa. Sabi niya sa akin, grabe ang adjustments na ginagawa nila. Kahit kanina nga medyo natatambakan sila. At sabi niya na ang goal nila ay to win the game, double the effort, at ginagawa niya lang ang role niya para manalo sila ngayon at makapasok sila sa playoffs. Balik sa inyo, Pen at Enzo.
Thank you so much, MJ. No, one thing nga talaga about dito kay Gian Cruz, is nakukuha, pinifeed siya. So, one thing,
Wow!
speaking of pinifeed si Gian Cruz, another shot there for Gian Cruz. One thing na kailangan lang niya, as we take a look here first sa ating replay dito. Capulong passes to Gian Cruz.
Grabe.
4 yung nakabantay kay
Oo.
Gian Cruz for that. Then, able niya,
klase.
nagawa niya lusutan yun eh. Yun nga eh. One thing about Gian Cruz, pinagkakatiwalaan sa dito ng mga guards niya. One thing para sa kanya is to put every basket on
Oo.
count.
And you can see Coach Arvin Ibay on your screens right there. One thing dito, if you're the big man like Gian Cruz, may pwesto ka na lang eh. Make yourself available for that pass. And yun yung ginagawa niya. Available siya lagi for the pass. And hindi niya, walang fancy. Pag titira siya, normal lang eh. Maganda footwork niya. Pero ito, gigante on the fast break.
Oh!
Kala ko, dunk na yun.
Nakita mo yan?
Napitawan lang yung bola sa ere.
Akala ko a miss pass there for Joren Gigante. But then, if we take a look here, that pass of Gigante, alam niyang hindi na siya, nakita niya dito si Cruz.
Nabitaw.
Akala ko dadunk dito
Nabitawan
si
lang
Gian
eh.
Cruz eh. But then,
Sayang.
let's make it 74 to 65. As we can see here, giant slammer for Bayong Porac. A great center para dito kay Coach Arvin Ibay, Gian Cruz. The pressure is now on the side of Santa Rita.
Must score ito. Oh!
What a steal
Grabe!
there! What a defense!
Hinablot na
Shown
lang.
by Gigante and Nino Vasquez. Wala nang nagawa dito yung Santa Rita as here Tubangi taking his time to set up their play. Tubangi to Gigante. Gigante back to Tubangi. Wow!
Grabe.
Nakita niya doon na libre dito si Rafa, si Nino Vasquez kasi nakabantay na lahat dito eh. Kay Gigante pati kay Cruz eh.
Oh, dangerous
and
pass.
a steal there for Tristan Tubangi. 3 minutes and 55
Humihingi ng
seconds
alley-oop si Cruz.
remaining.
Kanya pa rin. Kanya pa rin.
Tinak na lang dito ni Gian Cruz yun. 78 to 65. 13 na ang kalamangan dito ng Bayong Porac. Another steal there for the side of Bayong Porac.
Yun nga lang, binato. Oh, look at Vasquez dive
Grabe,
on the
nakuha
ground.
pa yun ulit ng Bayong Porac. But then again, what will Santa Rita do? Hindi na talaga pumapasok yung mga field goal nito.
Oo. And look at that.
Gian Cruz for the rebound. Tribangi managed to keep it on their side. Gigante. 3 minutes and 12 seconds. What will they do? Tribangi to Cruz. A 3-point shot for Gian Cruz.
Masyado malakas.
Hindi niya kasi
Oo.
forte ang
Oo.
kind ng tira na yun eh.
Meron siya pero hindi ganon.
Another turnover here para dito sa Bayong Porac. Steal there on Tubangi. But a foul
Grabe.
there called.
Then look at the score now. 13-point lead na agad para dito sa Bayong Porac. The biggest of this ball
lead
game.
of
Yes.
this ball game. Kanina, siyam lang ang kalamangan ng Santa Rita. But then, ito na yung sinasabi mo, Enzo. Nasa fourth quarter kasi, bumabalik at kumakamada itong
Yes.
Bayong Porac. Eh. As here, an inbound
Wow.
for Santa Rita. 2
Let's
minutes
go Porac, sabi ng mga batang
and
dramas.
48 seconds remaining.
Foul on the ground. It's on Nino Vasquez. Hindi pa penalty. Second team foul pa lang pala nila yan. Or third team foul, should I say.
A great defense ang pinapakita dito ng Bayong Porac. Hindi na maka-keep up dito yung Santa Rita eh. Here, 3-point shot is still no good for Santa Rita. Ramonchito passes to Gian Cruz once again. Pero naagaw yun kay Cruz eh.
Nakatapik. Oh, niluwa na
Niluwa
naman.
na naman. 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Tubangi to Ramonchito Rodriguez.
A basket here para dito sa Bayong Porac. Would
Let's
be
see
big.
if they're going for a quick 2 here. Tubangi.
Good pass.
Oh!
Great pass.
That eye of Tubangi seeing Ramonchito Gonzalez free doon sa ilalim.
Must score to para sa Santa Rita. They
Santa
must score
Rita.
here. There you go. What a move there by Bernarte.
After a 10-0 run, if I'm not mistaken. Nakascore din itong Santa Rita as Tubangi. Ito na. The very crucial minutes of this ball game. 1 minute and 27 seconds.
Agaw na naman.
Another steal for the side of Bayong Porac. It's Tubangi there to Ramonchito Gonzalez. Libreng-libre.
Si Rodriguez. Si Gonzales.
Rodriguez rather. Another basket for side of Santa Rita. And here, Rodriguez. Rodriguez, a steal there. Gian Cruz will go for a 3 right there. But then, naagaw yun.
Kalma lang dapat. Lamang kayo. 1 minute and 2 seconds na lang to. Just waste away as much time if you need para sa Bayong
Ayan, ang
Porac.
ginagawa ni Tristan Tubangi
And
right
they
now.
did this without Gigante. They did this without Gigante on the floor. That's the impressive part dito sa victory ng Bayong Porac.
One thing about Bayong Porac ay about our Coach Arvin Ibay. As I'm about to say,
Nagbilang pa, 1, 2, 3 daw, sabi nito ni Tubangi.
pinapagana niya lahat ng tao niya dito. They have this specific connection. As we take a look at this replay of Tristan Tubangi,
Grabe. Ang hirap ng layup na yun. And then, magbibilang pa siya. 1, 2, 3, counted now.
Grabe.
Sure ball for double T. Ayun nga, 1, 2, 3 nga talaga. Kompleto yung 3-point play.
Tristan Tubangi is indeed a man of his words. Pag sinabi niya, sinabi niya. $30
That'll do it
remaining.
na. That'll do it. That's it na.
I think
No chance.
Santa Rita
What a game para dito sa
concede
Bayong
for
Porac.
here. No contest from their side.
Grabe, what a finish na naman para dito sa
We can
Bayong
see here
Porac.
Tubangi.
Grabe, they did it once again. Fourth quarter masterpiece para dito sa Bayong
A
Porac.
good first quarter start. But then, nagkaka-jumble-jumble yung plays nila on the middle of this ball game. And there you have it. Gian Cruz, the man of the hour, with 21 points, 7 rebounds. Indeed, a great center for Coach Arvin Ibay there. But then, 69 to 85, 16 points ang naging kalamangan dito ng Bayong Porac to seal their win. They're now 5-4 at our standing at here. Kasama ko na nga ang ating best player of the game who stand up for their team nung huling laro, but then they were able to put back again here. Tristan Tubangi with 13 points, 8 rebounds, 9 assists of 3 steals. Tristan, another great performance you've shown in here from last game ninyo. Diba? You were again the best player of the game. Sabi mo nun sa akin, consistent Tristan Tubangi for the next ball game. So what was your contemplation sa larong ito para ma-deliver ulit yung mga puntos na yon for Coach Arvin Ibay?
Minotivate ko sila tapos nagtulong-tulong kami para makuha yung panalong ito. Sabi ko sa teammate ko, hindi tayo pwede matalo dito kasi pag natalo tayo dito, bababa tayo sa standing.
You know one thing, you have Gian Cruz on your side even though last time wala kang Joren Gigante, but then gumana lahat ng teammate mo ngayon and you're a point guard. You feed Gian Cruz. So what more should we expect for Tristan Tubangi and Gian Cruz on the next ball game of our Delta Cup?
Mas pag-iigihan pa namin at pagpapraktisan pa namin yung mga kulang namin as a team.
Now, Tristan, I will give you the opportunity to greet all your family, friends, at sa lahat ng sumusuporta para sa Bayong Porac.
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako kay God sa binigay niyang panalo. Binabati ko nga pala yung mayor namin na si Mayor Jing Cabil, Vice Mayor, staff ng Bayong Porac, coaches and teammates. Maraming salamat sa binigay niyong tiwala. Binabati ko nga pala yung mama ko na nasa abroad, yung girlfriend ko, at yung supporters ko sa Bawo Pangulo, Porac, Pampanga. Yun lang, thank you.
Once again, congratulations, Tristan. Once again, at Tristan Tubangi, our Delta Cup best player of the game. Again, Porac wins 85 to 69. 5-4 na sila ngayon sa ating standing. Coming up next is Villa de Bacolor kontra Juan Magalang Basketball. Again, in behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Mike Danan, and Enzo Galarosa, this has been your 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup. And this is Penelope de Guzman on behalf of MJ Raimundo. I'm saying that life is a better place to be when basketball came along.